Hey guys, welcome to our new video. In today's we've decided to review the 5 best options for you. We've ranked these products based on many hours of research testing and we've picked the 5 best acrylic paint sets that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. U.S. Art Supply Professional Acrylic Paint Set. The 10th position is accommodated by this professionally designed acrylic paint set that equipped with 80 different 3.68 ml color bottles. Having such an immense color selection makes sure you have enough choice when it comes to creativity. All these colors are entirely safe to use as there is no toxic material used by the company in this water-based colors. It is backed by a 100% lifetime satisfaction guarantee for better peace of mind. I love the vibrant colors that are in this palette and have so been enjoying using these colors for a coloring book I have. The reason I give it 4 stars is due to the terrible packaging. Just in opening it one time, a huge crack appeared in the clear plastic top and as I'm using it, at number 4. Acrylic paint. Professional-grade acrylic paints bring bright colors, thick and creamy texture, as well as incredible consistency to painters. They mix and blend well to come up with more colors, and have a great coverage with little paint. Versatile purposes, acrylic paints dry quickly and stay on surfaces extremely well, permanent, waterproof and fade-proof, suitable for most surfaces like glass, rocks, nails, walls, canvas, leather, ceramic, wood, clay, crafts and more, great for art enthusiasts, professional artists, students, etc. Squeezable pouches packing can minimize the waste of paint, and is ideal for long-time preservation without the worry of drying or leaking. Sturdy and beautiful box keep all the pouches paint well organized, also a good choice for gifting. At number 3. Color Change Acrylic Paint Set. This paint does dry fast. The photo I posted above, I used multiple different types of paint with the color shifting paint on a dry brushing technique. The grass is totally color shifting paint. Actually, I have had 4 ppl tell me that the photo doesn't do the paint justice. I recommend for the price and quantity and quality, this paint is the worst paint I have ever tried to use. Let me tell you, it's a waste of money. Why? Because it doesn't change colors and is very, very thick. I am in the process of returning the product. The cost of the product is high. I was so excited to finally get a paint that would change colors for my projects, until I got it and tried 4 colors. Nothing happened, no change in color, and colors are not what is represented. Please don't wasn't your money. At number 2. Acrylic Paint Set. This a great set. The colors are beautiful. The paint mixed easily to create additional tones. The brushes were a good quality, easy to use. I purchased this set to take on a vacation to the beach. I enjoyed painting and creating with this set, brought these for my ASD children during lockdown, hoping it would give them something new to try. The children started using them towards the end of the first lockdown and have started making Christmas gifts for friends and family. Very creamy paint, easy to work with. This paint is not heavily pigmented, therefore the color seems to fade. I would recommend for beginners, affordable and a nice variety of colors. It's a great learning kit for sure. Finally, at number 1. Bearals Acrylic Pouring Paint 12 Assorted Colors. This acrylic pouring set has 12 different colors that can meet your needs for the artworks. High flow acrylics. High flow means paint that pours and spreads easily. It's important that the paint is the right consistency to take advantage of all the different tilting angles you'll want to do to achieve the best design. With this pourable acrylic paint, there is no need for special preparations or mixing as these paints contain the right ratio of pour medium to paint. All you need to do is open the bottle and start creating. I don't think so if it's pre-mixed. This was still very thick paint. When I went to pour, I had to use the entire bottles to get it to slide. It does need another mix. Flood should have been added. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.